Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video, courtesy of Bazyths. I think I butchered the name, but link's going to be down below in the description. Check them out. This is going to be the smart toilet. I am waiting on my plumber and electrician to come by, so hopefully it'll be done this week. Part 2 will be coming up after this video is done, so stick around if you want to see this thing in full action. I'm going to show you what it comes with over here. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Christmas time is coming up. And now this is the battery pack. So you can have it with the battery, or you can have like a USB electrical outlet plugged in. That's what I'm waiting for my electrician to do. So that's going to be installed this week, hopefully. And then here's a remote control that comes with it. So you got the rear tush that goes squirt, and then she looks like she's lifting off the seat, you know. Then you got a little dryer, a flush, water pressure you could adjust, a nozzle, and of course the manual. I'm not gonna be, like I said, I'm not gonna be installing this. This could be too much for me to handle, so I'm hiring a plumber. Oh yeah. And then that's all the accessories. And now, this thing was heavy though, so if you're gonna get it for somebody that gets, make sure you're there. But Amazon also has a option where you could have them unbox it and everything else, and bring it in the house. I think it's like $40 around, but click the link down below. You can check it out. Look at this thing. This thing is sweet. There's like a display right there. Nice seat cover. Oh, clean toilet. There's a bidet right there that squirts out at you. It has heated seats and everything, so definitely in the winter time, this is going to come in handy for the long bathroom breaks, you know. And then here is going to be like a emergency button, I guess, in case we go you lose power, you can still use it. So, and the tank is underneath the bottom. But like I said, this is going to be a quick video. I just want to put it up really fast and so show you guys what they have to offer right now. So they got these on sale. Definitely, oh, it made some noise. So there's a little bit power, but super cool. Definitely excited to show you guys. Like I said, hopefully this weekend. If not, maybe before Christmas. Hopefully I could get one out before the holiday rush is over, which would be really cool to have it in time for Christmas, you know? Really nice, though. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Short video. Take it easy. Alright, guys, here we go. Look at this. It's finally installed and ready to go. This thing is simply amazing, guys. Really nice. Got the caulk still going. They said I gotta give it 24 hours. So a few more hours to go. And I can actually use it. Oh, there we go. Got the automatic sensors. Let me shut this light off. You see the glow. Really cool. But we got the heated seats going right now. And it is really warm, the seat, so I can't wait for a full test run. But right now I can't like flush it and stuff like that. So, but it's finally installed, and here we go. Here's where I put the controller. Right there. And it has that two-sided tape, so all I had to do is that. And then here is the other side. Try to seat temperature. And front power. Everything. So definitely curious to see how the bidet works. I never used one before in my life, so Should be a fun experience. So check them out. Link's going to be down below. Brand new toilet. Get it delivered. And I had the electrician install my light socket. Because it comes with a battery pack. But half of the functions won't be working. So you might want to get a professional install for the socket. That's what I did. There we go. Alright, YouTubers. Check them out. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Hopefully see you guys soon. See ya.